Hi guys, we are back with another video. We're clumsy people who keep spilling their drinks everywhere and sometimes on our phones. While you won't think twice about the mishap if your phone is water resistant, but water still gets into crevices such as the speaker grill and the charging port. If you've accidentally dropped your Android phone in water or spilled some liquid on it, there's no reason to worry or hurry. Let's see how to get water out of your Android phone speaker. Before we start with video. Pro tip. Make sure your phone is not connected to the Bluetooth speakers or earphones, otherwise your phone speaker won't blow out the water. Open any browser you like. For now I am using Brave browser. Then search for fixmyspeakers.com. As you scroll down you will get to know more about the website, how this website helped to remove water from the phone speakers and charging port. Tap the eject water button. The phone would start playing a tune from the speakers, and if you look closely, you would see water coming out of the speaker grill. Repeat the sound until your phone speaker begins to sound normal. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to get notified for future videos.